Hello everybody. Today I will have a short interview with Mr. Ricker. Hello Mr. Ricker. Could you introduce yourself at first?
Hello everyone. Hello Steven. My name is Rika and I am a worker in Zhengzhou Railway Bureau. Before I came to England, I was working in the company and I found it was very difficult for the customers to get a very convenient print service. So when I came here, I intended to find some solutions, and today I'm discussing with Steven to find out some solution.
Okay, Mr. Ricker. Do you know what 3D printing is?
Oh, 3D printing. Actually, I know a little about 3D printing, and in my own viewpoint, this is a very advanced technology. It gives people the ability to create their own products, their own goods in 3 dimensions, and it will be available in the very short coming future, and it will cost only a little. When people would like to purchase something in dimension, they can easily go to any branch which offering 3-dimensional service and only pay little price. They can get their own customized products with 3-dimensional print. It may only take them several minutes to get their own unique products.
Okay, Mr. Rick, that's really fascinating. Do you believe people could use 3D printing to make their own weapons?
Got a lot of apologies to make. Nothing's been the same since New York. You experience things, and then they're over. I can't sleep. And when I do, I have nightmares. Honestly, there's 100 people who want to kill me. I hope I can protect the one thing I can't live without.
This question is very interesting, and actually I strongly believe that there will be a day people are able to use 3-dimensional printing technology to make their own weapons. This is very dangerous because if you can make your own weapons, it means that you can use this to damage, to hurt someone else easily, and the society will become very unstable because the people around you always have their own weapons. If you have some argument with each other, they can shooting with each other. Oh, it's very just like the disaster, and it may be not so moral, not ethical, and it's dangerous. The government should make some implemented some policies to avoid this situation happens.
Very good, Mr. Ricker. The last question is, if you got a 3D printer, what would you do with it?
Oh, if I got a 3D printer, I would like to print a handgun first, and I want to do an experiment to prove that whether this handgun can shoot the real bullets. It's very interesting.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ricker. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, and see you next week.